Good day everyone, I'm Hui. In this video, I will be showing you this Malaysia 1999 9 Series 100 ringgit banknotes. Before we take a closer at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. Oh, I haven't flipped the page. Alright, so for this 9 Series 100 ringgit notes, it's issued around 1999. And the bank negara governor at the time is Tan Sri Dato Sri Ali Abul Hassan bin Sulaiman. For this type, we call it the side signature because the signature is at the side of the notes. Now this is how the signature on the banknote should look like. So for the size of this 100 ringgit notes is 150 mm times 69 mm. And the first prefix start at AF and it ended at AK. Now there is one replacement notes, prefix ZA. Now I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. Now if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Now let's take a look at the banknotes. This is how the front of the notes look like. Now we call it side size because the way the banknotes is placed at the side here. Now of course later on the next series the signature will end up in the center here. Now let's turn it around. So what made these banknotes one of the, I wouldn't say it's the most sought after, but they are this one is so quite a popular notes to be collectors sought on finding is because Governor Ali Abul Hassan is one of the first governor who did not manage to complete the 5-year term. Now in Malaysia, the banknotes issue is normally follow how long the governor in office. The moment they change the banknotes with the signature on the banknotes will change. So banknotes with this signature are not many since he only served like 2 years and then it was replaced by ZT. Yeah. Okay, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.